Hello everybody! In this video we show you how to install the improved CRR bracket on your Blizzard 2 saddlebags. First, the old CRR bracket must be removed. Use a short Phillips screwdriver size 3 for this and loosen the 4 screws from inside the bag. Remove the 4 self-locking nuts and discard them. Now you can remove the CRR bracket and the rear strap from the bag. Leave the backplate and the 4 screws positioned in the bag. Take the lower strap and remove the red CRR brake piece by threading the strap through the opening in the red brake piece. Ensure that the 4 screws in the bag are still inserted through the backplate. Press the backplate with the screws against the bag so that the screws protrude from the outside. Take 4 of the enclosed new self-locking nuts and insert them with the clamping side facing outwards into the improved CRR bracket. Take the assembly and place it on the screws protruding from the bag. Take the Phillips screwdriver and tighten the 4 screws from the inside of the bag. Next, take the lower strap and the red CRR brake piece. Thread the loop end of the strap through the CRR bracket, making sure the metal cam lock is facing away from the padding. Then thread the loop of the strap through the opening of the red CRR brake piece. Ensure that the strap is completely threaded. Grasp the end of the strap and pull the brake piece into the bracket as far as it will go, and repeat the steps for the other bag.